So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Nokia call options in Canada, ticker symbol NOK here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go to the bottom bar and press on the Discover tab, or press on, the magnifying glass icon at the bottom. Then go to the top bar and press on the search bar, and then just type in, as I mentioned before, ticker symbol NOK for Nokia. So as you can tell, the only option that came up is under stocks, Nokia Corporation. Go ahead and press on that one. Then go to the bottom and press on buy, and then press on options. Now, if you want to buy some Nokia call options here in Canada, it's super simple at the top where it says, I believe that NOK will rise by. Just make sure that when you press rise, that call option is selected. If for whatever reason it says it'll fall, that means that put option is selected. So if I were to press put option, it should say NOK will fall. So if I go ahead and press fall and change it to call, it'll now say NOK will rise by. And if you want to change the expiry date, here at the top, go to the top, press on September 29th for me. And you can change the expiry date to whatever date down the road. Now, you can either go out of the money by scrolling up or in the money by scrolling down. So for demonstration purposes, if we wanted to go out of the money for $4 USD, we'll go ahead and press on that. If you want to finalize this purchase, go to the bottom, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Nokia call options here in Canada, ticker symbol NOK here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.